Do you also manually create tasks in Asana for the inquiry leads received from your Typeform? Then you are totally wasting your time on the task that can be completely automated. Yes, you heard it right, because Pabbly Connect can automate this whole process. So what this automation is going to do, so as soon as you will receive a new inquiry or any feedback on your Typeform, an automated task will be created in your Asana account. So now let me show you how this automation is going to work in real time, and afterwards we will build this step by step. And I have created this automation by using Pabbly Connect, which is an amazing automation tool that integrates varieties of applications and automate your whole business. So here I'm going to fill this form, providing the name of my user as test user. So now let me enter it, and as I have provided the name, I'm getting a message which is asking me to enter the email address. So here I'm going to enter the email address as test@pabblytunes.com. Now let me enter the phone number. So now let me firstly select the country code, and afterwards I'm going to enter the phone number, and afterwards let's proceed. And here I'm going to rate my overall experience as 7, and now I'm going to enter the purpose of my inquiry as general inquiry. Now let's describe our issue. So here I'm entering my brief issue as I want to inquire about pricing. Now let's submit it. And here you can see that my Typeform has been successfully submitted. Now let's move on towards my Asana account to check whether a new task is created over there or not. So here I'm landed to my Asana account, where you can see I'm successfully receiving this task having the same name of my lead which I have recently received through my Typeform, that is test user. And here you can check out all its details, that is name, email, phone number, and the inquiry details as well. So now you have seen, as soon as I have filled my Typeform, an automated task is created over my Asana account, and now I don't have to manually check for the inquiries received and create a task in Asana for my team. So now this automation is going to be very beneficial for any business you are running, whether you are running any service-based business or running any agencies or many more. So now let me show you the process of creating this amazing automation by just using Pabbly Connect, which can integrate your application. So for that, let's move on towards my workflow page. So right here I'm on the workflow page of Pabbly Connect, where we are going to create this automation, and this is the most important window for creating our workflow. So if you are an existing user, then you definitely know how to get onto this page, but if you are a new user, then you have to access Pabbly Connect for getting this workflow page. And for that, you have to type the URL of the Pabbly Connect, that is pabbly.com/connect. And once you will enter the URL, you will land to the home page of Pabbly, where you will see two options, that is sign in and sign up free. So if you are a new user, then you can just click over this sign up free, and if you sign up your account for free over the Pabbly Connect, you get 100 free tasks every month for practicing and exploring Pabbly Connect. But if you are an existing user like me, then you can just click over this sign in. And if you like this automation and want to buy any of our Pabbly product, whether it's Pabbly Connect for creating the automations or whether it's Pabbly Chat Flow for creating the chatbots, then you can use this discount coupon code, that is STUYT, which is going to provide you heavy and exclusive discounts on yearly and lifetime access plans of Pabbly. So make sure to use this coupon code before buying any of our Pabbly product. But I will suggest you to firstly try out our Pabbly Chat Flow and Pabbly Connect, and afterwards you can proceed towards the subscription plans. And now let's move on towards my workflow page, where we are getting this option for adding the trigger. And now you might be wondering, what is this trigger? So Pabbly Connect basically works on two principles, that is trigger and action. So trigger defines the application which is going to initiate our workflow, and action defines the application where we are going to perform some task. So here I'm going to select my trigger app as Typeform. As you know, I want to initiate this workflow as soon as I receive a new form submission over my Typeform. But you can select your trigger application according to the workflow or the automation which you want to create, and the application which you want to be triggered on your workflow. So here I'm going to select my trigger app as Typeform. So now let me search for it, and here you can see that I'm getting my application, so I'm going to select it. Now let's select the app event as new entry, means as soon as a new entry is received over my Typeform, this workflow should be initiated. Now we just have to click over this connect button, and here we are landed to the connection page, where if you want to go through your existing connection, then you can select this button of existing connection, and for building a new connection, you just have to click over this add new connection button. And here we are getting a new connection name and this button, that is connect with Typeform, which I have selected. And here, as I have already logged in my Typeform account, it is asking me to allow the access, so I'm going to just click over this accept button, as my data is 100% saved with Pabbly. And make sure to log in your Typeform account before building the connection for making a smoother connection. And here we are getting this field for selecting the form. So on my Typeform, form, I have created this form, that is customer support request form, which I'm going to select from this drop down. So here you can select the form from where you want to receive the data. So here I have selected it, and now I'm going to select my response format as simple so that I can get the response in simple format. Now we just have to click over the save and send test request, and here you can see its status is changed to waiting for webhook response. Now for providing the webhook response, we have to do the test submission, means we have to receive a new inquiry over our Typeform. So for that, let's move on towards my Typeform, where I'm going to copy the link of this form from where I want to get the data, and here I'm getting my form which I'm going to fill again, providing the name as demo user, email as demo@pabblytudes.com, and afterwards I'm going to enter the mobile number of mine. So here I have entered my mobile number as well, and afterwards I'm going to rate my experience as 8, and now I'm going to select my purpose of inquiry as product or service support, and now I'm going to enter the brief issue. So here I have entered my issue or request as I want to inquire about Pabbly Connect. Now let's submit this form, and here you can see that my form has been successfully submitted. Now let's move on towards my Pabbly Connect to check whether my Pabbly Connect is fetching this response over there or not, as we have recently built in the connection. So now as soon as you will fill the Typeform, the response will be automatically captured by the Pabbly Connect, and you don't have to manually do anything. So here I'm blended to my Pabbly Connect, where you can see 9 seconds ago I have received this response, that is response A, and this response consists of all the fields which I have recently filled over my Typeform. So as we have received the response, this shows that we have successfully integrated our Trigger app, and the connection between Trigger app and Pabbly Connect is successfully built in. So now the form submission will be successfully captured by your Pabbly Connect, and now by using this response, I am going to create an automated task in Asana so that I don't have to manually create it again and again. So for that, I'm going to use my second principle, that is going to be the action app. So here I'm going to select my action app as Asana, as I want to create a task over there. So here I have selected it. Now let's select the app event as create a task with custom field. Now we just have to click over this connect button, and again we are on the connection page. So here I'm going to build a new connection by selecting this add new connection button, and here as I've already logged in my Asana account, the connection has been built in so smoothly, and we are getting all these fields. So the first field we are getting for selecting the workspace. So from this drop down, you can select the workspace, and as I only have one workspace in my Asana account, so here it is already selected. Now for the project, I'm going to select this project, and now here it is asking me to enter the task name. So here I'm going to enter my task name as new inquiry received, and now as I have typed this data, it will be static, means it is not going to change. So how we are going to differentiate between the task? So here I'm going to map the user's name. So now you might be thinking, what is this mapping and how to do it? So mapping is basically inserting the data from the previous step so that you don't have to enter your values again and again, as mapping makes the field dynamic. So here I'm going to map the name of the lead which I have recently received from my Typeform, and the process of mapping is simple. You just have to select the field which you want to map, and you have to select the slash symbol, and here we are getting a previous application, that is Typeform. So from the response of the Typeform, I'm going to map the name of my lead. So now let me search for it, and here you can see that I'm getting the name which I have mapped, and now this field is dynamic, means you don't have to change it again and again. It will be automatically replaced as a new form submission will be received. And now afterwards, I'm going to enter the notes which I want to add with this task. So these are the notes which I'm going to add to this task, and after this word name, I'm going to map the name of my lead from the response and the remaining details as well. So here I have mapped the name, email, phone number, inquiry regarding, and the inquiry details, and now these fields are dynamic, which is going to be changed with every new form submission. And afterwards we are getting this option for due 8 and due on, which I'm going to leave blank as these fields are not necessary. And afterwards we are getting this option for selecting the assignee sections and the assignee name. So from this drop down, you can select your assignee, and now we are getting these fields which are not necessary. So I'm going to just click over the save and send test request, and here we are receiving this positive response which demonstrate that the test data might be sent to the Asana. So now let's move on towards my Asana account to check it. So here you can see that I'm on this project, that is cross-functional project plan, and here you can check out that I'm successfully receiving this task having the same name of my lead, that is demo user, and here you can check out all its details or the notes or the description which I have recently mapped over my Pabbly Connect. So now in this automation, you have seen as soon as I have filled my Typeform, an automated task is created over my Asana account. So now now you can also create an automation like this for automating your business, and you don't have to do any manual work. And now you can just focus on growth of your business instead of manual tasks. And these fields are dynamic, means these are going to replaced with every new response, and you don't have to manually check for the inquiries or manually create the task, because Pabbly Connect is there for you. And I have provided the link of the workflow which I have recently created in the description box, so make sure to check it out. And if you face any kinds of doubts or challenges, then don't forget to mention it in the comment section, and make sure to use the coupon code STUYT before buying any of our Pabbly product. So thank you for watching this video. Not only this integration, you can build many more amazing automations like this by just using Pabbly Connect. So if you want to explore pricings and plans that fit your needs, then you can visit the link given over here. And if you have any queries or need assistance, then you can mail us at the email provided. And if you found this video really helpful, then like, share and subscribe our channel for more such automation tutorials. So thanks for watching.